That was the thing.
So
No, even companies
uh,
that you used to love, but then eventually they went away, and we're like, whatever happened to so and so, right?
right,
And then
right. There's a nostalgia there as well a little bit. Some of our most successful videos like Boosted. There was a lot of hate towards Boosted because they were, in the end, overpriced boards. Juicero is another example of a company that just made very little sense, and kind of people appreciate hearing the story of their demise. But yeah, with
movie
others like Messenger,
movie
it's
pass.
definitely a nostalgia thing. Same with MoviePass, yeah.
Movie pass was one of these that we're like scratching our heads. By the way, me and my wife got a movie pass thing, and I remember early on, I'm like, this is not gonna work. Like this is not. I'm like, I don't know how this work. Let's go see movies. And I remember reading an article where it was like, oh, we all just basically went to see movies this summer on someone else's dime, on investors' dime, and they all lost their money. And